Okay guys, welcome to Essex Electrical Training. This is Walter. He's the one who welcomes you every time you come to us. I'm just going to show you around. There's a weekend group is working today, so there's a few guys, and we've got a couple missing as well. So we're a bit short-handed, but you'll get the general idea. Walk this way, walk this way. So, this is the workshop. We've got obviously classrooms upstairs. When you come here, it's free tea, coffee. Just walk you around. So this is Taffy. He's doing a three-phase installation on a motor. This is our three-phase rig. And then we come around to this way. We do all the testing. We do Fluke. We do the modern MX 100s, and we've got the old Megas as well. Sergio's finishing off his conduit exercise, and so then he'll be testing that. Dan is doing the same. He's doing his metal conduit exercise. This is where, again, this is Bo who's doing the filming, by the way. This is his exercise. He's just going to start testing that. And this, really, we start onto commercial there, but this is the sort of completion of our domestic. I mean, so you do it in plasterboard and a range of things like that on the domestic side. So then we go on. Joe, he's doing his metal, just doing a bit of armoured cable there. We do armoured cable. That's free. All right. That's free core 2.5. But we do. You will have practice doing bigger stuff. So we do 95mm 4 core, which you'll be doing. As we will do. Oh, walk this way. Walk this way. Sorry, round here. You'll be doing ladder rack as well on the three-phase rig, and you'll be doing power track as well, which you know, not a lot of people or colleges do. And this is Mark's, Chris's one, but he's off today. And there's Tundai doing the same thing. Okay, so just get you. So as you can see, we do metal trunking. You do all sizes of metal trunking, whatever size you want to do. We do obviously PVC conduit, metal conduit, 20mm and 25mm. There is our 2391 room. I'll just give you a glimpse of it because we're not supposed to show it. We've got a level 3 training room, 2 training rigs upstairs, along with the classrooms upstairs. So yeah, okay, that really is it.